All right, we are now streaming live on YouTube. Today is January 8th, 2024. I'm Judge Case Johnson, and I call the case. Please make your announcement. Teron Akon.
Judge, on that case, the state's ready, but it listed on the calendar a TS number. I'm not sure why. This defendant also has charges on the 17th and the 22nd. So I'm not sure
The
what's
17th
supposed to
of
happen with that.
February. I mean, 17th of this month.
I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, it does have a TS number. I'm not sure why.
So I wasn't sure what that was about.
Okay, if we can try to figure that out.
And Your Honor, that defendant is a conflict. Good morning. That defendant is a conflict, so the conflict has to be done. So the public defender's office was requesting a continuance on that case.
Okay, so
He also has charges on Wednesday's calendar, I'm seeing too.
Okay, so we're going to continue it because no attorney is assigned.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. Do you have the date you're using for continuances?
Yeah, Tay, what dates are you using? And then the one for Wednesday, can we go ahead and just continue that one as well?
Yes, that's what I was gonna say. Let's put them on the same date.
Okay.
These calendars are huge. We can do February 12th.
Okay.
What is his charge? It's not on the riot. Can we do February the 19th?
February 19th?
2/19?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
And then she said that it was indicating that there's another case he has on Wednesday's calendar. We also need to move to the 19th.
Acknowledged.
Okay, thank you. All right, what about James Anderson?
The state's ready.
I need to pre-trial with Ms. Freeman.
Okay. All right, that's going to be a pre-trial. All right, what about Trentley Barnhill?
Judge, that officer is in training. He filed a conflict, and so if we can't get it resolved, we're asking that it be rescheduled.
Okay, who represents this defendant?
Chris Toles, Your Honor. Chris Toles.
Toles. We'll hold for Mr. Toles. What about Jorge Beltran?
Just same announcement. That's with Albert Davis, who's in training.
Oh, okay. Who represents this defendant?
No attorney is assigned, Your Honor. He's a conflict.
You said he does not have an attorney?
No, he doesn't have an attorney.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's put it at the 2/19 again.
Okay. And Judge, I got an email from Attorney Toles, and he says that he has leave today, but he's going to try to log in later on behalf of Mr. Barnhill. And so he said you can hold for his announcement that he was going to try to log on. So I don't know. Do you want me to respond to him?
Yeah, to let him know that the officer is not available, so I can go ahead and continue that one.
Okay.
And that was for Barnhill, right? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Hold on one moment. Okay, and so I think I skipped over Vernon Beamon.
Yes, Judge. The state's ready.
Hey, last check, he wasn't in the jail. He may be in the cab jail, but I don't know that part for sure.
Deputy, do we have a Vernon Beamon? And so for Mr. Toll's case, Ms. Freeman, let's
Yes,
just
ma'am.
put that one on 219 as well.
Okay.
Go by another name?
Your Honor, I don't see his name on our calendar.
Beamon?
So he's probably out, Judge. If that doesn't have him on their calendar, he's probably out.
Okay, so you don't have it.
Yeah, I don't even have the name on the list.
Okay, all right. So Attorney Rogers, where is he?
Or me.
Oh, I don't know, Your Honor. It wouldn't really be a way for me to.
He's just
know that.
lost.
Yeah, he's not at the. That's all I know.
Okay, I'm gonna continue it. Maybe they'll find him. I don't want to just not do anything with it. So let's just put that on 219. Okay, all righty. Now what about Rashawn Billups?
State's ready.
Your Honor, that defendant is also a conflict. The conflict needs to be done, so we're requesting a continuance for that case.
So no attorneys assigned at this time.
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
Well, Your Honor, we did receive an email from Stanley Schoolcraft regarding that case, but I'm not sure.
Well, what Attorney Schoolcraft indicated was that he's on another case for Mr. Billups, that he would have to contact Judge Mack to see if he's been assigned to this one. So
Right.
as of right now, he hasn't been assigned to this one.
Okay, that's true.
Mhm.
Thank you.
219. What about Edward Cherry?
Judge,
State's ready.
Judge, I'd ask the court to hold for my report on this. I need to speak with Mr. Cherry.
All righty, thank you. Cubas Vasquez?
The state's ready.
No attorney is assigned, Your Honor, for this conflict.
And Deputy, where we're saying that no attorneys assigned, you can go ahead and take those inmates back.
Yes, ma'am, we got it.
Okay,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
put that one on 219. What about Isaiah Dexter?
Judge, that's another one with Albert Davis, who's in training. And so if we can't get it resolved, we're asking that it be rescheduled.
Who handling this one?
Attorney Tiambre Calland.
Attorney who?
Tiambre Calland.
Cowan? Spell
Calland.
last name?
Calland is her last name.
Oh, Calland, okay.
Yes, and Tiambre, T as in tall, EOMBRE.
Okay, are they on? No?
She is not. She sent an email indicating that she has a conflict. She has to appear in person in Fulton County at 9:00. And so she has to hold for her announcement.
Okay, I'll just hold.
Okay.
Michael Donald?
State's ready.
Good morning, Judge Attorney Thomas Mundelli here. I need to speak with Mr. Donald briefly. The state's conveyed an offer this morning.
Okay, all right, I'll hold. I'll just put you down as a pretrial. Keon Dugan.
The state's ready.
Attorney Callan is also on that case, Your Honor.
Okay, all righty. What about Amari Favors?
Judge
That's going to
Hofer,
be a consent bond this morning. Oh.
thank
Thank you, Mr. Lewis. All right. Terry and Francis.
The state's ready.
Your Honor, I would like a moment to speak with my client and would like to ask the court to hold my report for right now.
Okay, I'll put it as a pretrial. Malcolm Freeling.
The state's ready.
Hofer report, Judge. Mark it as free, please.
Fidel Garcia.
The state's ready.
Your Honor, no attorney is assigned to that defendant.
$219. Nelson Garcia.
The state's ready.
Your Honor, I'm seeing a G. Lamar Smith assigned to that case.
Lamar Smith.
Yes, Your Honor, it's on the calendar.
Okay. All right, I'll hold for Attorney Smith. Is that a public defender?
Not
I don't
tomorrow.
believe so, Judge.
Okay. Kobe Grayer.
Does that case is with Albert Davis, and so if it can't be resolved, we're asking that it be rescheduled.
That's the one with the training.
Yes.
And no attorney is assigned to that, Your Honor, to that case.
19. All righty, Mikhail Harris.
The state's ready.
That'd be a hearing, Your Honor. Just to make sure, there were charges from the January 3rd calendar that was supposed to be also put on this day, so that we could do all the hearings on one day, but I only see the ones for today's day.
Wait a
Please
minute, repeat
confirm
that,
that
Attorney
all
Rogers.
charges were moved.
I'm sorry, I'm not sure what was Ms. Stanley. She might have responded. I'm not sure what she said.
Yes, all of your charges were moved for Mr. Harris to this calendar.
Okay.
All righty. Monte Harris.
The state's ready.
Your Honor, that defendant is also a conflict, and the conflict needs to be done.
So no attorney assigned.
Correct, Your Honor.
And Judge, just I also want to make the announcement on Mikhail Harris. I can't remember if there are two different officers or if it's one. So I'm announcing ready, but I just, in case I have an issue getting the officers, but I believe I have them.
Okay. Mhm. And that was on Harris. Okay, all righty. Michael Humzabath.
Perfect, Judge.
The state's ready.
Great.
Defense ready.
All righty. What's the state? State's ready?
State's ready.
All right.
Is that a hearing, Attorney Lewis?
Yes, defense
Okay.
ready.
Okay.
Chad Huguli.
Judge, that officer filed a conflict and is unavailable today. And so if we can't get it resolved, we're asking that it be rescheduled.
I need to speak to Ms. Freeman about that one, Your Honor.
All right. Then pretrial. Giancarlo Ibarra.
Judge, when I checked before, and I know Stanley Schooker had him, Mr. Ibarra wasn't in our jail. So I'm not sure if that has changed, but when I last checked, he was still, has been brought back.
All right. Deputy, do you have Mr. Ibarra?
Judge, what was that name again?
Last name is Ibarra.
No, ma'am, I don't have him on the calendar.
Okay.
So he must still be out, Judge. He had been sent to prison.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Your Honor,
So,
Your Honor, on our calendar, it's still showing long, TPM long.
okay, he's
Long.
online.
Mm-hmm.
So I put that one as 219. And then Luciano Jenkins.
Judge, that's with Albert Davis, who's in training. So if we can't get it resolved, we're asking that it be rescheduled.
No attorney is assigned, Your Honor. He's a conflict.
Okay, 219, this is gonna be my last one for 219. And this one. All right. Mary Johnson.
State's ready.
I think it's gonna be a waiver, Your Honor.
So you want me to place it put it as a waiver? Or you want me to put it as a pretrial?
Yes, but I still need to speak with Ms. Johnson just to double check this morning.
Okay, I just put it as a pretrial.
Thank you.
Roderick Jones.
Judge, that's with Albert Davis, so we're asking it be rescheduled. But then I was also showing that Mr. Jones wasn't in the jail. I'm not sure who has him.
Roderick Jones.
I'm seeing Leon Hicks on the calendar.
Say that again.
Leon Hicks is showing on the calendar.
For who? For Broderick Jones?
Yes. But I wasn't showing that he was in the jail. I'm not sure if he is or not.
Deputy? Okay, we'll come back to it. Clifton Jones?
The state's ready.
Hold for report, pretrial, Judge.
Vincent Lane?
The state's ready.
That'll be a pretrial.
Ron Love?
State's ready.
Pretrial, Judge.
Jalen Malcolm?
The state's ready.
He needs a conflict attorney, Your Honor, requesting continuance.
So, Judge, what date are we using now? I know you said.
Let's go to that Wednesday, which is the 21st, I think. Yeah, 21st.
The 21st, Your Honor?
The 21st?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. William McCorrick?
The state's ready.
It's probably gonna be a hearing, Your Honor.
Okay. I just put it down as a pre-trial. Turn around, you can give me an update. Kendarion Moose?
The state's ready.
And I spoke to Mr. Muse. He told me he had hired his own attorney. I definitely asked specifically if he met for today's date. He said yes, but he didn't know the name. So
what do you want to do with it? You want to continue it?
I mean, I can double check with him this morning to see. I told him you might want to know the name at least, so I can see if he's here. But yeah, other than that, unless he tells me something different, it seems like it might
Okay, I just put it as a pretrial. What about Jonathan Oates?
State's
Pretrial.
ready.
I'm sorry, pretrial.
Mhm. Tyrell Pack?
Oh, the state's ready.
Need to hold on that one, yeah.
Okay. Nicholas Pre?
The state's ready.
No attorney assigned, Your Honor.
221. Peter Sanders?
State's ready.
Pretrial, Judge.
Mhm. Andre Turner?
The state's ready.
No attorney assigned, Your Honor.
221. Akiri Usiri?
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney
State's ready.
on behalf of Mr. Nichols Usury or Usury Nichols. As far as I know, we're scheduled for a prelim this morning with the officers and we're ready.
Okay, so that's gonna be a hearing. State's ready on that, Ms. Freeman?
State's ready. Yes.
Okay. Darvin Wallace?
State's ready. Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Attorney James Bowles represents Mr. Wallace. He's on trial. He sent an email this morning and asked that his case be rescheduled.
Okay.
So is that the 221 date?
Yes.
Okay.
That's gonna be attorney conflict. 221. All righty, Jerry Williams?
The state's ready.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams is a conflict, no attorney.
All right, 221. What about Robert Young?
That's with Albert Davis, who's in training. So if we can get it resolved, we ask that it be rescheduled.
Same announcement, Your Honor.
Okay. $221. And then that's it. That concludes the call of the calendar. Did I miss anyone? Think I got everybody? All right.